Hello my Sweet Pea family, I've got something really exciting for you today, so stay tuned. Are you ready for this? I'm so excited to show you. It is our Medical Organiser belt. So the wonderful lady that we got the idea for this design is a nurse. She's worked in the industry for over 30 years and just has so much knowledge and experience. And we're looking around for new products to give back to people, and she came up to us and said, you should do a medical organiser kit. Something that nurses can use on their person, just to have everything that they need ready to go, just easy access, just on their belt. So our designers worked really hard and we just came up with this really bright and fun medical organiser kit that our nurses can go around hospital and show off their new kits with the beautiful bright colours and design. But wait, there's more! For the first time in Sweet Pea's history, we're not just giving you the download to make this at home, we're also supplying a fabric kit that we have chosen out very specially with awesome bright colour fabric that you guys can buy with the design and you can make this product. I'm so excited for this, it's really, really cool. So what you'll get is this kit here with all the fabrics cut up for you to the correct sizes. You'll have all the little bits of elastic that you need, the mesh, this another bit of elastic, so just really, really cool. So we'll just have a quick look at the contents here. I've got my fabrics here. We spent a lot of time picking the right ones that we thought would look perfect on this medical organiser kit. I'll just lay them out here on the table. I really am in love with all these fabrics. They're really beautiful designs and they just go perfectly together on the medical kit. As you can see. So here's the piece of mesh that goes on the front, really good quality mesh, cool light blue colour. Put that one there. So just, as you can see, a really great range of fabric. The good thing about this is if you are a beginner, it's a good chance for you to get your first design. We help you pick your fabrics and they're already cut up, so you can just really focus on making the best quality design you can. Also, with every bag you get a little piece of batting like this. That comes with it. And then also here I have my two pieces of elastic for these parts here, and then also my last strap that goes there. So everything in the kit, as you can see, awesome colours, top quality fabric, and we really think that you'll enjoy making your medical kit organiser. In getting your hands on one of these, make sure you check out our website at swepea.com. That's SWPEA.com. Also, once you've made your product, we would love to see it on our Facebook group, our Sweet Pea Machine Embroidery Facebook group. We would love to see all your beautiful designs, and I'm sure they will be great.